Do what, dude?
Cut Blue's open?
No, we can't be cutting stuff open.
This one. You cut his open?
What's up? What's up? Good morning, everyone. Saturday, going getting this. Here we are. We're about to cook some breakfast with me. A little late start for me, but it's never too late to make a bomb breakfast. So what's up, Colson? We're gonna cook. You want to help Daddy cook? Yeah? Oh, you got that? Hey, you want to feed the dogs for me?
I'll give the dogs
A pumpkin? Feed the dogs a pumpkin? What's up? What's up, you guys? Don't get in this. Look at this. Ripped up all day, every day. Boom. You gotta eat healthy. It's all about that breakfast. Number one meal of the day, breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. We're gonna make, what should we make? An omelet? Or we'll just make an egg, a little scramble. What do you want to make? Colson's gonna help me cook some breakfast. Say what's up, Colson. Say what's up. Yeah, show them your pumpkin. Show them your pumpkin right there. That's the world. Show everyone your pumpkin. Boom.
It's Blue's.
It's Blue's pumpkin?
I think that Blue's.
Alright, what we're gonna have this morning, I'm just gonna make some eggs. I got some meat I'm gonna cook up.
Sure.
And I'm gonna make a little bit of potatoes, 2 pieces of toast. I eat 2 bananas in the morning, every morning. It's kind of a big breakfast, but it's number one meal of the day, dude. So you wanna kinda get those calories in if you're gonna, I'm gonna go kill those weights too. So I'm gonna kill the weights and that's what it's gonna be about. So I gotta have that energy to power up. You can't be looking like this by not eating. I'm not like a physique model, you know what I mean? I go kill those weights. Let's see what we have here.
Dad, we cut the pumpkin in.
Cut it?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I guess we could if you want.
How?
No, we don't want to cut that open right now. Not right now. We'll do it in a little bit. After we cook breakfast, we're gonna go hit the weights, and then we'll do that, okay?
This thing is heavy.
Let me see. It's pretty heavy, right?
No.
Hey, feed the dogs for me, will you? Where's all their bowls? Or I'll feed them. You guys can check out my little beasts. Look at these guys. Look at this. Boom. We got Blue right there. We got Colson in the house. What's up? Louie. Look at it. Hey, it's Blue and Lou. Blue and Lou. They don't even know the difference between their names. And who do we have here? Who do we have here?
Leo.
Leo. Leo the tiger. Look at this thing. Leo. Look at. I love cats. Especially this one. Here, come cruise over here, dude. Put him on the counter. What's up? What's up? Hey, you gotta. Hey, if you have kids, dude, I suggest you have animals. Animals. Oh, that little pod. My son loves his animals. He loves them.
That one about Arnie.
What?
Arnie.
Oh, Arnie came in the house? The big dog? The old man?
Yeah, he is.
Those 2 little ones I showed you guys, those guys look like the kids, and here we got the big guy right here. He's like the old man in the house. Alright, what I'm doing is I'm cooking some potatoes. I'm gonna cook them up for probably like 6 minutes, and I'll put them on the fryer with all my food. I always microwave them with some water. Man, let's go like 7 minutes. Cooking with Brad Castleberry, huh? It's the bomb. What? Oh yeah. Come show him. Show him your cat. Show him the cat. And I'll show him Big Dog.
Okay, okay.
Then we got the big guy in the house. Oh, my baby. Look, this is my dog. My little baby.
Dad, he's the big one. He's the biggest one.
Yeah, he's the biggest one. He's my baby dog. That's my dog.
And the cat's the smallest one.
Yep. Alright, and this is what I cook with every day. Coconut oil. Every day I have coconut oil. I think this is like a...
The cat's getting heavy.
He's getting big, huh? Real big. Was he too heavy for you? You hurt your arm? Oh, a little bracelet?
He's a little heavy.
Hey, show me your little bracelets. Where'd you get those things from?
Camera?
Let's see. Oh, you stole my cameras at Disneyland?
No.
No?
I looked at the in here, the little flower thing, and I saw these.
Hey, you guys better be out there going to the gym today, huh? I don't even know what I'm gonna work out. I think I don't really know what I'm gonna work out. Get in there and do something.
Blue's trying to carve his own.
Boom! Look at that. Boom! Damn, look at that tricep. Look at that tricep.
It's like a soccer ball.
The pumpkin, don't mess with it, dude. You're gonna like pop a hole in it. Alright, let's pull out some eggs. Get out our toast. Colson, what do you want? You want some bacon or something or anything? Or you want cereal? What do you want? I know you don't want my eggs.
Have some scrambled eggs?
You want scrambled eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll make scrambled eggs. Alright, so we'll go about like 8 eggs today because Colson's gonna eat a few of them. Not too many. Because I'm mixing the potatoes in there. I'll have actually some ground beef. I'll cook up that.
I don't want tomatoes.
No, not tomatoes. And then I have avocado I'll throw on that. But I don't eat it with anything. So all the little stuff makes it all have different flavors mixed together. It's working. So here, you want me just to make you eggs real quick? You just want eggs by themselves?
No.
What do you want?
Mashed.
Scrambled.
Yeah.
Just scrambled? Yeah, I'll make you eggs real quick.
Tell me.
Colson's just gonna have scrambled eggs. He wanted to tell you guys. And so, crack these open. Get somebody to put that in. It's all about eating at home. You guys see, it's hard to travel and eat, but if you do, dude, you just stick to like the minimal things like chicken, eggs, meat, eggs.
I have 5 bracelets.
5 bracelets.
With
Hey, and the last video I went live, you guys, I didn't even record that, man. So I gotta like, I'm gonna do YouTube, so you guys gotta go subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's crazy videos on there all about me. I love them. There's some funny ones, man. I saw one the other day. It was badass. I'm on America's Got Talent, and they're making me like do all these crazy things. You guys gotta watch that one. It's like the funniest one. Funniest one, dude. And all you damn haters, I'm gonna be blocking all you guys. So keep writing all that fake stuff. Whatever you guys keep making, write it, you get blocked. So hey, it's what it is. I don't even care, dude. You know what I mean? You guys are just a waste of time.
Yeah.
Negativity is a waste of time. Stick to positivity. You know what I mean? That's all it is about. The Castleberry movement is positive, man. Uplifting others, and that's all it is. Uplifting and helping others. And being you, dude. So fuck anything more than that. So just do you, what makes you happy, and the haters, they're over there. We're moving forward. That's all it's about. So that's the new movement, Castleberry movement. Positive, uplifting, helping others, and be you. And you guys will be blocked. So it's what it's. If you want to keep watching my stuff, you better stay away from that comment board writing fake, fake, fake. Because you know that I know you guys are messing around and stuff. Because I'm the realest in the game. The realest in the game. Look at that. Ugh. Who's looking like this? Boom. No injuries. All day, every day. Huh? Who's out there getting injury free? Looking like a savage, helping other people every day. You know what I mean? I don't compete against myself. That's all I compete is against myself. So it's like, you guys are just on my team. We're a team over here. Teammates. You know what I mean? You don't want to be with somebody that's not on your team. You know what I mean? Get out of that. Friends all out there like, oh, I got a test tomorrow. And then they're like, well, hey, let's go out tonight. I just told you I have a test, bro. Oh, shit. We're smoking up in here. I got to start cooking. I don't even know what's on this pan. Shit. Damn. Let's open that door. Hey, dude, let's feed this dogs. You want to help feed the dogs or you want me to? I will. Whatever. These guys love to eat. Hey, and you don't want like out of shape dogs either, dude. I really appreciate animals and everything, but I hate seeing overweight dogs. I seriously do, dude. They're like, oh, like, walk your dog. No, stop feeding it as much. If you're not gonna go work out, you don't need to eat as much. These guys don't need to eat if they're just laying down all day, every day. Just feed them a little bit. So, like, no overweight dogs, dude. I'm not about that. Do not do that. Where's another one? Oh, you guys are so excited for their food. Dude, look at these guys. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. He's so excited. He's so excited. Come here. All right, let's mix this up. Oh, I got a few more eggs in there. Let's go big today. Let's go big today, guys. I know you guys want me to go bigger. Let's go a little bigger. Throw one more egg in there. One more egg in there. Anyone could cook, dude. Anyone could actually cook. Okay, anyone could do this. All right, feed them. Oh, we gotta feed the big guy. You know where the big guy's food is? Where the bowl is? I saw it somewhere. Go eat.
Hey, that's Arnold's ball.
And look at this, Colson. Show them how good dogs are. You can feed my dogs. Will never touch my son. He can play with their food. He can do whatever he wants to them. Obedient dogs right here. Look at this guy. Oh, he gets so excited. Where's his food at? Where's your food at? Where's your food at? Did Colson take that food? That's Arnold. Well, Louie, hey, get out of there. You can't leave Louie hanging. He's the one that loves food. Can we find it? Find it? Yeah, get that one. We only need one bowl. What's up? Damn, dude. Look at that vein popping out. And I ate at the yard house last night.
Yeah, this is really.
Yeah, let's give that one to Lou. We'll give this one to Louie.
Because Boo's is awesome.
Oh, baby boy. He loves food. He loves his food. Look at that. I always taught my dogs how I raised them was to be able to handle their food right in front of them. And look at my son's alive.
Dad, can I go fix it?
Fix what? No. Mixing this up.
That's easy.
I know. Hey, give me some toast out. Give me the toast out. You want to help Daddy?
Where's mine?
I'm mixing yours up. We're going to cook yours first because Daddy's going to mix his with other things. So I'll cook yours first and then Daddy will make his. Feed those kids, you know what I mean? And had good kids. Dude, I went to the store. We were at Luna Girl the other day with me and my friend. I take my kids everywhere. They should be your little sidekicks, you know what I mean? They shouldn't be something that you think is like, oh, I got to bring this kid. Dude, they're your kid. Be proud.
Dad, you want me?
You know what I'm saying? Be proud of what they are. That's your, like, part of you.
You want me to cook the toast?
Yeah, put it in the toaster. You know what I mean? Be proud. But my kids, like,
Dad,
they're kids. Yeah, I mean, they're all going to make mistakes. But, dude,
Dad, tell them I
you don't want little monsters out there. So, you, like, bring them out so they know how to act when they're out. Don't just keep them locked up at home. And then you go out and you're like, oh, I can't handle this. Yeah, it's your first time bringing them out. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to, like, get out there.
Got two?
Yeah, but not that one. See, I got a little bit. Yep, those two. Perfect. Pour a little bit in there for Colson. Some scrambled eggs. Mixing them up. Hey. All I know is you are going to look like with what you eat. I don't even eat pizza or like that. Actually, you guys know I eat bad. What I had yesterday, some nachos. And look at, I'm still ripped. I had nachos yesterday and I'm still ripped. Because I kept that metabolism going. You know what I did when I left there? A nice protein shake before I went to bed. 6 meals a day. Keeping it going. Don't get off track. Don't let your body go in like starvation mode and it doesn't even want to like, you gotta keep that metabolism rolling, dude. That's all I'm saying. That's what I've done. And I'm over here eating these big meals, you know what I mean? Going big. You guys know I'm a savage out here going gigantic. I'm not no little 140-pound guy saying, oh yeah, I know how to work out. You want to look ripped? Bro, you looked 145 your whole life. You didn't even build any really muscle. I'm a trainer now. I took a test. It's not just about that. It's about what? How much what? Pounds in me? How many pounds is Daddy? 250, baby, over here. Looking ripped. Whoa.
How much do I?
You're like, what are you, like 50 pounds? 40? Let's curl Colson on. Let's see. Hold on my hand. Let's see if I can curl him. 2 hands. Oh. Oh. That's about 40 pounds, 50 pounds. Oh, you hurt yourself? You're okay. And toughen those kids up. You know what I mean? It's a tough world out there. Colson's a little beast over here. Here, let's get you a plate. Look at that. Scrambled eggs done. You know how fast that was? Boom. Oh, I don't have time. What was that? Like, I really could have got that done in minutes. Threw this in a little Tupperware, got in my car, and drove to work. You have time. We have time. If you want to make time.